In this video, I will show you 10 creative ways to use an action camera. All scenes will be shot on the Insta360 Ace Pro. Shooting from a first-person perspective, a great idea to quickly and easily show the atmosphere of the place where you are. The mouth mount is best suited for this. I recommend using the widest field of view on the camera. This will allow you to show as many details as possible. Your hands, legs, your body. This will maximize the atmosphere. Such videos now generate millions of views on Instagram. One of my Instagram videos gained 70 million views. If you don't have the necessary mount, but have the new Ace Pro, you can quickly attach the camera using the screen. By the way, I recommend subscribing to my Instagram, where you'll find more ideas for your videos. Thanks to FPV drones, we can teach our action camera to fly. For FPV flights with the Insta360 Ace Pro, I recommend using the free frame video mode. In this mode, the camera records in a 4:3 aspect ratio and also records gyro data, allowing magical stabilization. Slow motion shooting is a huge privilege for action cameras. Even without an FPV drone, you can teach your camera to fly. Switch to slow motion mode, and for this effect we need to shoot at 240 frames per second. Carefully toss the camera into the pool, and there you have it, a magical effect is ready. Fixed shot. Here you can fully unleash the potential of an action camera. For example, I will be filming my bike. Using a magic arm mount, attach the Insta360 Ace Pro to the bike. The magic arm mount can be fixed in any direction. This allows you to capture the most unusual angles: the bike's wheel, interesting detail, the road, and the rider. I like that Ace Pro has a magnetic mount, which speeds up the camera mounting and therefore filming. Product POV shooting is currently trending, with many renowned videographers adding flair to their videos with this effect. First, securely mount the Ace Pro with a view of the product. I combined two magic arms to create a special mount for POV product shooting. Turn off stabilization on the camera so that the product remains centered. This type of shooting is trendy and looks very cool. During travels with an action camera, I recommend capturing beautiful cinematic scenes. Here, it's best to make slow, smooth camera movements with the main view of the location in the frame. For greater smoothness, I recommend shooting such scenes in slow motion at 120 frames per second. For night shooting, the Insta360 Ace Pro has a special mode, Pure Video. Compared to other action cameras, the night shooting capabilities of the Insta360 Ace Pro are simply amazing. I always use an action camera when size matters. A small camera can be slipped into small holes, set up in unusual places, and can be used to capture super unique angles. I always film time lapses of my travels, and the action camera is perfect for this type of shot. It's important to fix the camera with a view where there is a lot of movement. In the settings, I recommend setting the interval for 1 second. Such filming transports the viewer into a parallel reality and allows you to quickly show long periods of time. To achieve the highest quality of a night time-lapse, you should set the lowest ISO and decrease the shutter speed. With the Insta360 Ace Pro, we can easily transform captured video into AI animations. To do this, connect the camera to the app, select the video, and choose the animation style. AI magic is ready. One of the main advantages of action cameras is underwater shooting. For this, I also love to use the slow motion at 120 frames per second. This allows you to slow down any quickly passing by fish and increase the duration of the moment by 4 times. Every bubble is visible, all hidden details are shown in a new way, making underwater shooting even more interesting. The Ace Pro stands out among other action cameras with its night shooting capabilities, AI functionality, and flip-up screen. You can buy the Insta360 Ace Pro by following the link in the description. Thank you friends for watching. Write in the comments which type of filming you like the most and what do you think about the new Ace Pro camera. See you in the next episode.